welcome back to another video. Again, I'm with my cousin Ada because it's still that night. And she can do the weirdest thing. Alright, so she can randomly birth. So I'm going to show you. Show it. No, wait. She burps like a man. Right, so. Hold on, it's not working. Okay. That's like the grossest thing. Anyways, sorry this video had to be so short, but it is. Anyways, if you know how to do this, like and subscribe. And I think let's go for 30 likes. Bye. Bye. Okay. Bye.